Hello friends, welcome to Skill Raptor and I'm your host Atharva. Today we are going to see a very interesting spreadsheet that is based on tube sheet layout and sizing calculation. So this sheet can help you to visualize the arrangement of your pipes when you are designing a shell and tube heat exchanger. So before I go ahead into this video lecture, so I want to request you all to kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please also share it with your friends. So let us see what this sheet is about. So as I said, this can help you in tube sheet layouting, which is there are different pitch diameters and there are different centers which can be used and also different number of tubes. So how are you going to arrange that? So let's see that. So on your screen, you can see it is actually the cross section of tubes. These small circles are tubes, and then there is a pink circle and which is comprising all the tubes inside that, and there is a black circle. So this black circle is the outermost boundary of your shell, and this pink is the inner. So you need to understand that this all your tubes should be inside this pink circle. So now how to do it? Now let me just show you a small demonstration. So you can see there are different boxes: pitches, tubes, center, and you have hexagonal. So click on that, you will see three options: square, triangle and hexagonal. These are basically types of pitches. And then number of tubes also you can change. So I'm just changing it to 250 just to show you how it works. I've changed it to 250, and hexagonal pitch I'm changing it to square. Press enter. Change it to A. So let us see. So it is, you can see here, it is iterating, and so it changed from hexagonal to square with tubes, 250 tubes. Center is at A. It can also show you exact number of tubes. So it is saying the square pitch 253 R by A. So let me also tell you why it is what exactly these numbers are. So A is the distance between tubes, which is the pitch, the center to center distance. Then D is the diameter of the tube, and W is the distance of wall from the tube. So I think this is a very interesting tool which can be used to visualize this. This actually iterates, the calculations are well iterated, and this is it. So if you liked this video, please kindly like, share and subscribe, and share it with your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe before even you request me the link to download this free sheet which I am giving. uh, Before that, I want you to really subscribe my channel. Thank you.